Criteria-based decision-making is used when we want to assess a group of items from multiple perspectives. Those items could be projects, they could be possible solutions, they could be issues. So to take an example, if we were looking at a number of possible solutions, we might want to evaluate those from how well they address the root cause, but also from the perspective of how much they'll cost, the time to implement, how sustainable the solution might be, how complex to operate, many different perspectives. So therefore, it's a great consensus building tool to help us to identify those items that are really important or priority. Typically, the criteria-based decision-making is done within a T matrix, so we go across and we go down. And when we're doing the evaluation, it's firstly really important to make sure that the criteria are really well defined, so that everybody involved have the same understanding or meaning of the criteria. Then each item is then assessed against each criteria, and you can use a simple yes or no, either it meets the criteria or is not, or you may use some form of scaling or ranking, maybe on a scale of 1 to 5, or high, medium and low. And then once you've evaluated all of the criteria, if you're using a yes or no, those criteria that meet those items that meet all the criteria will be important or priority. If you're using some form of scaling, then those items that score highly against the majority of the criteria, again, will be important